Today, I'm going to show you how to land an entry-level data analyst job in 2026. A lot of people overcomplicate it. A lot of people tend to think the market is saturated. It's not. Companies need data analysts more than ever. Yes, it's competitive, but I'm here to help you make the right moves to land your first data job. For context, currently I work as a senior data analyst with over 9 years of experience. I didn't come from a college or a university degree. I worked in a warehouse, I did door-to-door sales. I understand the struggle, I've been through the trenches. I know what you're going through if you're watching this video right now. And I know the correct path to landing that first data analyst job. I'm here to help. First thing I want to clear up is only learn the necessary skills for an entry data analyst job. You don't need to learn everything. You're not applying for a software engineer or a cloud migration role. Time is money, so don't waste it. Just learn the necessary skills that are related to the job. The skills you will need are Excel fundamentals. You don't need to be super advanced in Excel. Honestly, I hardly use Excel at an advanced level in my day-to-day job. Just the foundations are fine. Next skill you want to learn is SQL. Probably the most important one, hands down. Try to get as good as possible with SQL. Next skill, data visualization. Power BI or Tableau is where you want to go. Personally, right now, I think Power BI is really good to learn. Highly recommend. Python fundamentals. Not mandatory, but nice to have. I say SQL and Power BI is more important as a data analyst, but again, it doesn't hurt to know. So these are the skills required for an entry-level data analyst job. Really quickly before we continue, if you want extra help becoming a data analyst, download my free Path to Data Analyst kit. It's a free template I made to help you on your journey. Inside you'll get a study tracker or my course recommendations, a free resume template, free resources, a project board, a dynamic note system, and much more. I'll leave a link in the description or be in the pinned comment. Grab it if you're interested. The biggest mistake I see people making when trying to get their entry-level data analyst job is not having a data portfolio or having a really bad one. If you're trying to get your first job in data analytics and you're doing one of those things, it's going to be really hard. Let me explain what a good portfolio looks like. A lot of people build projects around random topics like Netflix, Titanic, or Pokemon. Don't do that. Businesses don't care about what people watch on Netflix. They care if you can solve a real business problem from start to finish. So here is how you can build a strong project for your data portfolio. Come up with a business problem, something realistic, and write up some documentation about it. So you want to describe what the problem is, what are the requirements, and how you're going to fix this problem using data. Once you've done that, we'll need a data set to build your project around. So to do that, go to DeepSeek AI. Simply just ask it to create you a data set that matches your business scenario. Very easy to do. Once you have that data, use SQL to clean/transform it. Then you put that data into Power BI or Tableau and build yourself a professional dashboard. Boom, you have created a data project. By creating a project like this, it just shows a lot of value. It shows you can clean and transform data using SQL. It shows you can build a professional looking dashboard. It shows you can write up proper documentation and solve a business problem using data. When I'm hiring data analysts for my team, if they have a project that looks something like this, they have a pretty good chance of getting that role. As a bonus at the end, you can even create a PowerPoint and tell your story with data. For example, you can explain what you found, what you recommend, and how your project helped the business. Once you have a strong portfolio, it's going to be way easier to get your first job as a data analyst. Just right now, you don't have any experience, which means you don't have any proof that you can actually do the job. So building a strong portfolio squashes that problem. It shows you can do the job. It shows that you can bring value to the team. So in my opinion, it's 100% worth it. I hope this video has helped you out. Remember to like and sub. I'll see you next time. Peace.